everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be making a very nice cake mix recipe today. I'm super excited to be showing this to you guys and to be sharing the recipe with you and the process for this recipe. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I have this amazing brand I just came across yesterday. So let me show you. I have the strawberry cake mix and I have the vanilla cake mix. So I'll just keep this here and go through the process for this cake. I think this brand name is called, try the rest of the delicious, AJEEB products. This is from AJEEB products, AJEEB. And by the side it is written switch by the side. So let me just quickly go through the process written on the back side. It says preheat your oven to moderate heat, 180 degrees, and grease all your types of pans with butter and lightly flour or spray non-stick cooking spray. Rounded pan, or of course any type of pan you have, mostly 30 centimeter diameter, 6 centimeter, or rectangle pan 23 centimeter or 33 centimeter or 6 centimeter. So part 2, I've just read the 1. 2, it says empty the package of dry components in deep bowl, add 150 grams of egg, which is about 3 eggs, medium size, and add 120 ml vegetable oil, 1.5 cup of oil, and add 240 ml water, which is about 1 cup of water. Number 3, it says mix the components for 1 minute with an electric mixer at low speed at room temperature, then for 5 minutes at high speed until well blended. Number 4, it says bake in oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Cake is done with toothpick inserted in center, comes out clean. Leave the cake to cool outside the pan before cutting to slices. So one good thing about this product is there are different types of flavor for this. We have the vanilla, which I've just showed you. We have the desserts. We have all types of flavor in the market right now. So guys, let me quickly walk you through how I'm going to be making this super delicious strawberry cake mix from AJEEB. See you on the other side. Medium eggs, 3. Glass of water, 240 ml. Strawberry cake. Vegetable oil. That's about 120 ml of vegetable oil. smells so good. So good. That's my grease pan right here, and I'm going to be emptying the contents of the cake into this pan. So guys, my mixture has been well blended, and now I'm going to empty the contents into my pan. I'll just do it round. So guys, if you're just joining my channel, you're most welcome. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. You guys rock as always. You guys are superheroes. So guys, if you're new here, kindly like, share, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. I'd like to hear from you. If you've tried this before, I'd like to hear from you. So guys, now that I have the cake batter right here, I would let it settle for a while, and then I will heat it down like this. I'll just move this one away. I'll just move all of this to the side, and then I will heat so the cake can be well settled evenly. So guys, our beautiful cake is ready. So I'm gonna be slicing them, which I'm already doing, bit by bit for my kids. Trust me, this cake is super tasty, very delicious. Not too much sugar. If you're a sugar lover, well, it's still okay. But if you're not a sugar lover, this is just the perfect cake mix you should try. Perfect cake mix you should try. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.